Your shop is in higher demand more than ever before. Customers need their vehicles repaired and ready for the road as quickly as possible. Turning bays with return customers is what keeps your business going. At GSP, our goal is to provide you with quality parts and service to keep your business running efficiently. Thanks to our team of automotive experts, our North American division is better prepared to help give your customers the service they need. GSP offers multiple aftermarket product lines, including several CV axle options, wheel hubs, steering and suspension components, and loaded struts. With the most popular CV axle and wheel hub have applications manufactured, GSP is prepared now more than ever before to give you the quality-driven performance you deserve. GSP's industry-leading coverage, first-to-market part solutions, the shortest lead times, and quick fulfillment means you receive your orders on time and never run out of stock. And a monthly capacity of up to 800,000 pieces, GSP is the #1 factory in the world for quality and volume. Diversification of this line has improved over the years, giving the customer plenty of options to best fit their needs. With a fully automated facility, our wheel hubs are manufactured with imported top-quality components and a monthly capacity of up to 500,000 pieces. With more than 300,000 loaded struts per month, 25,000 different applications, and 2,200 SKUs, GSP gives you and your customer the best options. Exclusive shocks available to complete a four-corner solution on certain vehicles. Steering and suspension components from GSP lead the market in Asian and European coverage, with more than 3 million manufactured monthly and more than 6,000 SKUs. GSP is committed to you and your customers. With 2 North America locations and a wide variety of aftermarket undercar products, we are here to outperform the competition. With distribution located in Spartanburg, South Carolina and Avondale, Arizona, our team is equipped with the necessary infrastructure to quickly bring product to your door from start to finish. GSP is the brand you can trust to keep moving forward. Call GSP today to take your business to the next level in quality, efficiency, and reliability.